Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rimouski local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to find and hire the right cheap Rimouski moving company? 3 Movers specializes in affordable local and long-distance moving services. When you choose to work with our moving team, you'll get all the benefits you need. Getting the right options for your long-distance move will help make relocating simple, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to relocate across the country or 100 miles down the road, we can help make it easier. Our long-distance moving options make it simple to get a basic move or a more full-service move. Let us take the stress out of your relocation. If you're ready to move locally, a Canada Moving Company will provide just what you need. The right moving team will give you the help you need for any type of local move. With movers helping, you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Choosing the right movers, such as 3 Movers, can make your move so much easier. We streamline the entire process to get you to where you need to go faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rimouski moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.